Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Thursday. The winter storm that lashed the western parts of South Africa yesterday is moving away from South Africa, and with that, stormy weather is easing today. There are still warnings effective for high seas and gale force winds along a large portion of the South African coastline, and in a moment we'll take a closer look at the wind forecast for the Garden Route coast, where huge fires developed during the course of yesterday. Over the past 24 hours, the cold front swept across the western and central parts of South Africa. Its associated low-pressure system was just to the south of Cape Agulhas yesterday afternoon, but is now way to the southeast of the country, with its cold front making its exit along the east coast. If we zoom in, we can see it was really cloudy over the western interior this morning. Snowfalls were reported in places over the southern high ground of the Northern Cape and the southwestern Cape mountain ranges, and that will start to clear during the course of the afternoon, but much awaited showers moved in along the south coast of the Western Cape, aiding the fight against fires. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast for the rest of the afternoon, especially for the fire-stricken area. Good news is that wind speeds will moderate during the course of today. Still gale force, especially in places in Algoa Bay for the rest of the afternoon. This evening, winds will still be strong in the offshore areas between Cape St. Francis and PE, but light winds are expected tonight in George, Knysna and Plettenberg Bay. A high-pressure system is taking over behind this cold front, and rain is clearing rapidly during the next couple of hours along the Western Cape coast. We're expecting a bit of light rain tonight along the eastern escarpment and a very cold day over much of South Africa. Let's take a look at the rainfall probabilities. Light evening rain possible along the eastern escarpment, mainly in KwaZulu-Natal tonight. Showers remain likely along the southwestern Cape coastline and the adjacent interior, with light snow at first, but no further rain in the Northern Cape. Warnings valid for the afternoon as issued by the South African Weather Service. High seas with wave heights between 6 and 10 meters remain likely between Alexander Bay and Margate for the rest of today, and gale force winds will start to moderate from the west between Plettenberg Bay and Margate. Now let's take a look at this afternoon's temperatures. A very cold day, almost countrywide. 10 degrees in Bloemfontein, 9 in De Aar and only 3 degrees in Sutherland. Johannesburg cold as well with a high of 15 degrees, but it's still hot in the Lowveld. In Bombela we're expecting a high of 29. Tomorrow will be a mostly dry day countrywide, partly cloudy over the far eastern parts. In Cape Town we're expecting no further rain and a maximum of 17, but this weekend looks like it could be a wet one over the western parts once again. 12 degrees in Sutherland, and Cape Town will be cooler as well. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your day.